ਬ੍ਰਿਟਿਸ਼ ਕੋਲੰਬੀਆ ਦੇ ਪ੍ਰੀਮੀਅਰ ਕ੍ਰਿਸਟੀ ਕਲਾਰਕ ਇੱਕ ਨਿਤੜਕ ਤੇ ਨਿਡਰ ਲੀਡਰ ਨੇ ਔਰ ਬ੍ਰਿਟਿਸ਼ ਕੋਲੰਬੀਆ ਦੇ ਸਿਆਸੀ ਇਤਿਹਾਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੇਖਿਆ ਜਾਏ ਤਾਂ ਪਹਿਲੀ ਵਾਰੀ ਇੱਕ ਇਲੈਕਟਡ ਔਰਤ ਪ੍ਰੀਮੀਅਰ ਬਣੀ ਹੈ। ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਰੀਟਾ ਜੌਨਸਨ ਇਲੈਕਟਡ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਨ ਔਰ ਪ੍ਰੀਮੀਅਰ ਬਣਨ ਤੋਂ ਪਿੱਛੋਂ ਕ੍ਰਿਸਟੀ ਕਲਾਰਕ ਨੇ ਕੁਝ ਇਹੋ ਜਿਹੇ ਫੈਸਲੇ ਲਏ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਬ੍ਰਿਟਿਸ਼ ਕੋਲੰਬੀਆ ਦਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਆਰਥਿਕ ਵਿਕਾਸ ਹੋਇਆ ਹੈ। ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਨੁਕਤਾਚੀਨੀ ਵੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਰਹੀ, ਲੇਕਿਨ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਮਿਕਨਾਤੀਸੀ ਪਰਸਨੈਲਿਟੀ ਅਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਮਿੱਠੇ ਸੁਭਾਅ ਨੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿਰੋਧੀਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਕਾਇਲ ਕਰ ਲਿਆ। ਹੁਣ 9 ਮਈ ਨੂੰ ਫਿਰ ਇਲੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਹੋ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਅਤੇ ਉਹ ਇਲੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਕੈਂਪੇਨ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਨ ਤੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਸਟੂਡੀਓਜ਼ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਏ ਹੋਏ ਨੇ। ਪ੍ਰੀਮੀਅਰ ਵੈਲਕਮ।
Nice to be here. Sat Sri Akal.
ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਜੀ। So how's the campaign going?
It's going really well so far. I mean, it's not going to be that different from the last one. We're focused on jobs, on economic growth, on trying to keep taxes low, put more money in people's pockets.
And what are the main issues this time?
Well, I mean, in terms of jobs, we're running on I'm running on my record. We've created 220,000 new jobs in BC, 4,300 in the last month, 19,000 in the previous month. So, I mean, to me, like a job to me is not just a statistic. Like that's not just a number. Those are families who are able to look after the people that they love. And that's why I care about jobs so much. And so for the election, I'm going to be running on, a jobs record, wanting to create more jobs. And, we see in the NDP, we see a party that is opposed to most economic development. So I think people will have a choice in whether or not they want a party that supports jobs or a party that, that isn't supporting job creation.
So how many South Asian candidates running this time and what is the gender?
Oh boy, that's a good question. So we've got 5 South Asian candidates running this time, including Jez Johal, who many people know. 2 of them are women, great women leaders, and Amrique Verk is coming back, we hope, as a real, as a former RCMP officer and a cabinet minister. I think all of them can win. 4 of them running in Surrey, 1 of them running in Queensborough. I think I have high hopes that every one of them is going to get elected.
Premier, what are the achievements of your government in the last 4 years?
Well, we said we were going to create jobs, and we had a plan, the jobs plan. We stuck with it. We have created more jobs than anywhere else in the country. We have the lowest unemployment compared to the rest of Canada since 1976. We are leading Canada in economic growth. And so on the one hand, there's jobs. The other hand is we've made huge investments in healthcare and education. We're adding up just about 3,000 new teachers to classrooms. And in Surrey, 4,600 new student spaces. But then also $1 billion middle class tax cut. So the cutting MSP in half, which is the first step toward eliminating it, I think will make a lot of people's lives a lot more affordable.
And also your voters, people would like to know from you directly about the Ombudsman report on the fired healthcare workers. What would you like to say to the people?
Well, first, as I've said in the past, it's a terrible tragedy for those families, for one in particular, but also for everybody who was affected. We have a job to do to make sure that British Columbia's government is the best place to work in the province. Being a civil servant isn't necessarily the best paid job in the province, but it should be a great job where you can feel free to innovate and know you'll be encouraged to try and make change. What the Ombudsman told us is that was not happening. Now, what he also told us, though, is that politicians have no business saying who should be hired and who should be fired. And so, in this case, the decisions were made by the civil service, and the responsibility for making sure we get it all fixed is Kim Henderson's, and she's the head of the civil service. She said there will be a reparations fund, which I totally support, that we will have a judge overseeing all the recommendations being adopted, which I also totally support. So, I think we're on the path again to making BC a great place for civil servants to work, because that's really important. If you want your government to deliver your services to you, they need to feel like they're honored and that they're encouraged in their workplace.
Premier, over the years, since you were a staffer to the broadcaster, to the Premier of this province, you have developed very good relationship with the South Asian community. And now I think community also wants their fair share in this election here. And after the election, if you form the government again, what is in there for South Asian community? I think Sikh heritage, our Indo-Canadian Center, other things are major issues here in our community.
Yes. So we have just announced that April will be Sikh Heritage Month forever in British Columbia. So, and April's in a significant month because, of course, it's the month of the founding of the Khalsa. So we are, at the same time, we're recognizing 15 key heritage sites around the province, including the Sikh temple, the Sikh Gurdwara in Golden, as an example, Baldi as another example, and we'll continue to add to that. If I'm reelected, we're going to make that legislation, so it will be done. And, you know, continuing to work with the community on celebrating Vaisakhi, on bringing great cultural events like Toifa, those kinds of opportunities to introduce all of British Columbia to what's going on in the Sikh community. Seniors care is really important because what we know about our grandparents is that they often want to return to more traditional food and have their language around them. You know, as they get older, it's a comfortable thing to do. We want to make sure that we are providing seniors care that's culturally appropriate for Sikh elders as well as for, you know, folks from other communities. But you know, I can say this though, Harjinder, the thing about the Sikh community that I know is it is the same thing that's important to most other British Columbians. It's a great job for themselves and it's even better opportunities for their kids. And that, you know, part of my connection to the community is I sort of see the world the same way that the community does. All those Sikh pioneers first came here and they built the resource sector. That is still so important that we support that we support economic development projects. And then got into small business, entrepreneurialism. Again, hugely important, and our government's really supported that. And now moving into the tech sector very quickly. And all of those things, the Sikh community has been vital. And all of those things are really at the core of what I'm trying to accomplish. I think that's part of the connection. And plus, you know what? I think I look my best in a Punjabi suit.
Yeah, you have many. But, you know, under your leadership, and no doubt people can see it, British Columbia has developed economically quite a bit. But what drives you? Like, what is the motivation?
My dad was a school teacher. My mom worked in supporting daycares and families. They raised me to believe, you know, raised me according to the Sikh value of giving back to community, of being charitable, of looking after people that maybe aren't doing as well as you. And I really believe in that I think every one of us has the chance to change the world around us. And so we should. So the anti-bullying campaign that you and I worked on together, that was so important to us, I think, because it gave you and me, as broadcasters at the time, a chance to try and change the world for the better. I still want to try and do that. That's why I'm hoping people will re-elect me.
Anything you'd like to say in closing to the people of British Columbia
Well,
and other people out of British Columbia?
Well, I mean, to everybody watching, especially in British Columbia, May 9th is an important day. Our province is growing. We are on the right track. We don't want to go backward. We want to remain a province where unemployment is at an incredible low, that jobs are being created, and that people are coming here from all over the country rather than leaving to find jobs. We want to keep it going. Let's not go backward on May 9th.
Premier, thank you very much.
Thank you very much, my friend. Sat Sri Akal.
Sat Sri Akal.